Hey guys, it's me Sasi and welcome back to my kitchen. So if you are a fan of traditional Indian sweets, then this is a real treat for you. Today I'm going to make a special pumpkin halwa, which is a delicious aromatic dessert that captures the essence of the season. But before we go into the recipe, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, and also ring the notification bell so that you will never miss out any upcoming videos. So for this recipe, I have grated yellow pumpkins, sweetless milk cover, sugar, cashew and raisins, some powdered cardamom, ghee, or you can call it clarified butter, and a pinch of salt along with some milk. So the ingredients are very simple, but we need some patience, as the cooking time is a bit longer, but at the end, the halwa is heavenly tasty. So first, let's fry the cashews and raisins. For that, I have the pan on a medium flame. I'm going to add ghee or clarified butter. Into the pan goes the cashews. Once the cashews are a little brown, I'm adding the raisins. So these two are basically for garnishing, so we are going to use these two items only at the end of the recipe. But we are going to use the same ghee for frying the pumpkins as well. So before the pumpkins, it's better to fry these cashews and raisins. Alright, this is done. Immediately turn off the flame, otherwise the cashews and raisins will get burned. So transfer these to a bowl and use the same ghee for frying the pumpkins. Now on the same pan, I'm going to fry the grated pumpkins. So this step will take some time. This is where you need to maintain some patience. The pumpkin has to thoroughly cook before we can move on to the next step. It will at least take 15 to 20 minutes to get this pumpkin cooked with the ghee. So the pumpkin started to release all its water. So we have to keep going until all this water is evaporated. So this is almost after 20 minutes. The water is still not completely dried out, so we have to go further on this. So the water is completely dried out now, or I would say sufficiently dried out. At this stage, I am going to add the sugar. This is not caster sugar, this is just granules. So once again, after adding sugar, it becomes watery again. So I have to keep going until this is solid. Wow, so it's already in a halwa consistency, but to add further taste and enhance the flavors, I'm going to add a cup of milk. This is full milk or whole milk, I'm sorry. Gently mix them together. At this point, I am also adding a little bit of salt, only this much. So let this boil for a few more minutes. So the halwa is thick enough and I could see the oil is separating now. At this stage, I am going to add the sweetless milk kova. We don't want any lumps, so stir it well. So this should be the consistency of the halwa. It's completely done, but a final touch. I'm going to add some powdered cardamom for the smell, and going to top with fried cashews and raisins. Fantastic aroma coming after the cardamom is added. All right, our halwa is ready. So let's do the tasting. Wow, the smell is incredible. After adding the cardamom powder, it smells incredible. All right, tasting time. So today Ritvik is not home, so I'll be doing the honor. Wow. Excellent. Actually, the kova, it's a little bit dominating, but that's what make this halwa stand out. So absolutely 100 out of 100. If you want, you can try it at home. And until we meet again, bye bye, take care.